Guys, on this beautiful day, I bring you some kind of sad news, some kind of like kind of disappointing news in a sense. We got the great old PowerStroke right here beside us, the good old 6.7 truck. We love the truck. We love the truck. The PowerStroke is everything I've wanted. It's a 6.7. It's white. It's got all the stuff done to it. You know, it's deleted, the wheels and tires, fifth wheel hitch, the whole 9 yards. You know, that's all great, and I love it. And but you know, someone else didn't. I bring to you guys totaled PowerStroke, take 2. So as we were cruising up to take Caitlin's camper to the dealership, we ran into an incident where a lady was in our lane and, you know, kind of T-boned us right here. Got hit in the bedside. It definitely bent this wheel and this axle in. It kind of broke the leaf spring perches, bent some stuff on the frame, and it kind of ruined a bunch of things. But what do we do here? We're a body shop. We build and we overcome. So we're going to rebuild this thing back better than it's ever been. We're going to take and do new things to it. We're going to do new things with it. We're going to kind of take and go a new leaf about this and kind of really take this as an opportunity to make the PowerStroke great. Go ahead and paint the thing, go ahead and do some more stuff to it, and kind of just make the truck really nice so we can look very professional towing the M4 to all of its events this year, and towing the M3 to some shows, and just all of that good stuff in between. And when we go pick up cars for the business, you know, it just looks a lot more professional, not just like a basic 6.7 PowerStroke. Guys, hope you enjoy this video. Let's dive right into it. So, bedside. Wheel is kind of messed up. The tire is absolutely obliterated. We have some stuff been on the frame where the leaf spring mounts. We got the leaf springs messed up. Some fuel stuff is messed up on the fuel tank housing. And you can just take a gander and see our tire kind of bent in right there. It's not the best scenario. It kind of is not the best, but we're going to work with it. We're going to do what we got to, and it's actually not terrible. It's just a lot of suspension stuff is messed up. It's kind of hard to see and tell. The bedside's not a big deal. OEM one from Ford will be delivered, and we're not going to worry about that. It gives us an opportunity to go ahead and paint that, make that nice. Luckily, it didn't get the cab, anything on it. The glass isn't broken. We're still all good back here, and the new bumper we put on the tailgate is perfectly fine. Just a little bit of cosmetic stuff with the bedside, and then all the suspension. Guys, I got a very special box right here for the PowerStroke. They just delivered this box. Told James it had Quade's name on it. It is indeed my box. Oh, guys, this is exciting. This is exciting. All right. I don't think you guys are ready for this. I know I'm not really ready, but you guys are definitely not ready. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. See if we can just kind of... Oh yeah, look at there. Oh yeah. Guys, in front of me are the Bilstein 5160 shocks for the PowerStroke. These are a step above the Bilstein 5100s. These have the external reservoirs on here. They are not adjustable dampening or anything, but these are digressive shocks. They're supposed to be very good. I think they look sick. It's kind of compared to the last Fox shocks we got on the PowerStroke, but I honestly wasn't too happy with the ride and like towing ability with those. So we went with the Bilsteins to go ahead and try these out because I haven't had these before. And knowing how the Fox shocks perform, went ahead and tried these out. I'm super excited to get these on the truck. They look sick. I like the stainless steel body on the outside. I think it's going to be awesome. I might go ahead and PPF outside of this and coat it so it doesn't get all messed up. And I'm just really excited about this. These look really quality. Everything on them looks really good. I'm just super excited about this. I'm super excited. So I'm super excited to put these on the truck and see how they fit. Coincidentally, Caitlin is on the way to 4-Wheel Parts in Charlotte to pick up the back 2 shocks right now because they didn't have the fronts in stock, but Shock Surplus could get these to us in 2 days. Didn't even have to pay overnight shipping or anything. We got these shocks in 2 days. So that was awesome. I'm really excited about this. The PowerStroke is coming together. We're getting closer and closer and closer. Bilstein shocks on the PowerStroke is a go. We're also going to put these Ready Lift extended leaf springs on here so we can go ahead and get these lift blocks in the back and we can have the truck 110% leveled. 160 for the front, we have the Bilstein 5100s to the rear. I am super excited about this and I can't wait. These things look great. So everything is coated under here. We went and wiped all the excess off. It looks really good. It does have a very high gloss to it, but I kind of like it over satin. We'll go back and do some of the other parts in satin and clean it really well, and then put some of the G-Technic spray coating on here so it'll rinse off very well and the mud won't stick to it. There's still a bunch I have to touch up, but I wanted to focus on the back part right now so that way I can go ahead and get the shocks put up. We got our leveling blocks put in the back right here. I have this little other spacer, the factory one, that we're going to go ahead and put in here. That's just going to sit right here, just like this, and drop into place. And that block should sit like that. And then this little kind of tab is going to go into the top of that one. And it should be perfect. We'll go ahead and bolt the shocks up. I can't wait to see what this thing looks like when it's done. I don't know if we're going to do silver or red calipers. Probably just stick it with the silver. I think red would kind of be too much. That way it just kind of accents for a little bit. It does seem that caliper has been replaced because all the hardware is zinc and new. But other than that, we're moving along, and I'm so freaking excited to have the truck back. You have no idea. I'm so excited to have the truck back. New U-bolts going in. These are the extended ones to accommodate for the block, just long enough so everything will bolt back up and stay together very nice. This one needs to come back a lot. Hey, you think you can hold this right there?
Sure.
The bolt? Alright guys, we're back under the truck. Everything looks really good. I'm really happy with it. It's not 110% perfect, obviously, because we're just kind of restoring it. We're not replacing absolutely every part, but we are replacing the really good nitty-gritty parts that needed to be replaced and that we really need to focus on. So here we have the Bilstein shocks put up right here. I'm going to go ahead and cut this line. We're going to go ahead and have the shock come down into the hole, put the bolts in it. We have all new hardware everywhere. We have the leveling blocks in the back. All this stuff is painted. All the tape came off very nicely, and I'm just really happy with how it came out. I think it looks awesome. Granted, it's not perfect. It's not going to be perfect. This is a 2016 truck. It's almost 10 years old. It's not going to be perfect, but it looks really good, and it's way better than what we started with, and I'm super happy about it. These shocks are going to ride so much better. Really excited to see how they do off-road, and I really can't wait. Okay, guys, I really apologize. It is windy. I've been waiting for the wind to stop. It hasn't stopped. It's got worse. Beamer's patiently waiting on the wind. The M4 is patiently waiting on me and Hendel to do maintenance. But the truck is here. I had to pull it outside to get a customer's car in. The wheel is back centered in the wheel well. It doesn't really look like it because that is a big gap right there. It's all filled in. But we have everything back here. Brand new Nitto Ridge Grappler tire on the truck. And everything under here looks awesome. I got to finish up some other touch-up work. Kind of finish coating everything under here. Most likely what I'm going to end up doing here is spraying the underside of the frame with some 415 like we did on the Cummins. There's no rust on this truck. It's been a Southern truck its whole life, which is very good. I'm very thankful for that. But it's like kind of dirty under there and grimy, and it's got that factory white paint that's all stained. And I'm kind of just ready to go ahead and make everything really nice. Like, we'll go ahead and paint the wheel well up here again, do a nice satin black so it's not too shiny in your face. We'll put the nice shock up here. We'll get a new spring on the front to help level it more, and we'll go and do some little touch-up stuff here and there. But this is take one on the PowerStroke regeneration. I don't know what else you want to call that, but take one on rebuilding the PowerStroke, making it awesome and exactly what I wanted it to be, kind of just like the Harley truck. We're gonna go a little bit further with this guy than we did on the Harley truck because there's a big dent right there. We have to have PDR'd, but it's coming along. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave me a dislike. Guys, thank you so much for watching this. I really hope you enjoyed this process. If you have any ideas of what we should do to the truck, drop a comment down below and let me know, what should we do to the truck? What shouldn't we do to the truck? Guys, I hope you have an awesome day, night, morning, afternoon. Whenever you're watching this video, I hope you have an awesome time, and I can't wait to show you the rest of the truck's process.